Here we're going to show you how to set up your zones for advanced action creation. First, we need to decide who has access to this feature. To do this, we navigate to Setup in the top right and to the roles. In this case, the administrator will have access. So we go to View, Edit, scroll down to Actions, and scroll across. All of the picking methods with advanced in brackets next to them are actions you can use for advanced action creation. Select the ones that apply and click Save. Now we've decided who can use advanced action creation, we now need to set up the zones. First, we go to Zones, and there's two set up here. Let me show you how that's done. First, you do your name and your reference. Select your site. Set batch quantity to 100 and click Save. If you have only a handful of locations to add to this zone, you can do it through the UI by expanding the location tree below and selecting the locations that apply. Here we can see the dash near LHR pick indicates that some of the sub-locations are selected. Here in ILA, the grayed out tick box shows that all of the sub-locations are selected in ILA. So we can do that and click Save. Now, if you have more than 50 locations that you'd like to add to a zone, you can do that via an upload. To do that, you prepare a CSV file with these two columns. Here you have your existing location barcodes and your zone reference. Then, once that file is prepared, we go to Integration, Locations, Import, and here is where you'll select your file and import it, and then click Done. That will automatically update your locations to have that zone reference and assign those locations in this column on the left to this zone on the right. It's important to note that this can be done in maximum batches of 1,000 locations at a time. Any more than that, you will need to break down the CSV into batches of 1,000 maximum. Now that our zones are set up, let's show you how to use advanced action creation. First, we go to Actions, then Add. Select the picking method you'd like to use. For this example, we'll pick one person picks multiple orders in a batch. Click Next. Select the sales orders you'd like to pick. You can use the advanced search to help you narrow this down. Click Next. And this is where the screen looks different. We have two options here. Reverse the IP sequence, which means instead of looking for the first one of these SKUs in the pick sequence, we will look for the last one. This is particularly useful when picking heavier items to reduce the amount of time a picker has to carry or push a heavy item around the warehouse. And we can also use our newly made zones. As you can see, we have Zone A and Zone B. By default, we will look for the items in Zone A first and then Zone B. We can also change this to go to Zone B first and then to Zone A. In this scenario, the picker would still complete picks across both zones. Now let's try Do Not Allocate. What this means is the system will look for these SKUs only in Zone A, and wherever possible, create a picking action. So we select Go. The system will then calculate if we can fill these three orders from just Zone A. And we can. Fantastic. Click done. That's it.